Welcome everyone. I'm Michelle and welcome to my channel. Canva got a new feature and I want to try it with you guys for the first time today. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to apps and we're going to click our apps button and we're going to look down here. I think it's all the way down at the bottom and to other apps right here, and it's called TypeCraft. So we're going to open this up and let's see what it does. So now we have some text. Let's see. Oh, so you put your text up here. So we're learning this together. I just installed it. I have not used it yet. You know me, it'll be a time where I'll be doing some crazy stuff with it later, but now we're just trying it out. So let's do my name. And now let's see what we can do. We can change some fonts. Ooh, they're very small if you're, eh, they're very small. If you like me, you have to put your old lady glasses on so you can see. Um, hey, that'll work. All right, so now what we're going to do, outline. Okay, we can pick a color for an outline. Let's make it black. Purple. Yeah. Okay, so we can do that. The border width, we can make it like fatter. We can make it thinner. Okay, that's cool. Honestly, I think I'd probably download it and use the glow feature in the editor and make my own outlines for it. But that's a whole nother story. So let's see what we can morph this into. What can we do? So it doesn't say any kind of shapes. So you're just basically moving it. So if you want to do like one of those round ones, you're going like that. Let's see. Want to do like that. So if you want to do true perspective on the side of a building or something like that, so you want to go high, and then you want this angled, on an angle going down the side. So now you got some perspective. Let's see what these little things do. Ooh, brings it up to make it even. So now you can do like a true perspective going up on the side of the building. So you have these little lines. So if we're using these little lines, so that'll straighten your stuff up for you. So if you want to angle it out even more and kind of make it look like that, and then you can take these and make them straight. And if you hear some weird noises in the background, that is my chihuahua whining. So sorry about her whining, but she is a very Velcro dog and she does not like when she is not being held. So you can do, ooh, look, see if you did that, you can do that and put that on a megaphone or something like that if you got a child that's a cheerleader or something like that. So, and let's do something else that, welcome to my channel. Okay, so now let's see if we can do that. Okay, I didn't spell welcome right. Don't get on me. Oh, now I got too many M's. Okay, there we go. Let's see if we can make a circle. I kind of wish you could do that on here versus in here. Maybe that'll be an option at a later time. But I don't know. I can. Ooh, I wish I could do some shape. Ooh, I'm gonna have to use letters or shapes to make some weird stuff go on here. I can see some potential of some weird stuff going on. So what I wanted to try to do. So I guess if I wanted to do like the fat bubbly thing, because can you make it into two lines? No. So we can't do that. So we can have like the big fat round bubbles with all the words in it. You know what I'm saying? If y'all know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying. Like the round. Um, hmm. Well, you can make it look like a smiley face. Dun 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 dun. All right. So now that I've kind of finished playing with it, let's see what happens when it says add element to my design. So now what we can do with it after this. So my opinion, it's very limited on what you can do because if so, what you're gonna have to do if you want something that's like multiple layers. So like I want So I'd want to put like hello, and then I would want to, let's say, put that in there. Oh, so the other one disappears. That's not cool either. So I wonder if I'm making multiple ones. Okay. Um, I'm gonna wind up playing with this, and maybe I'll do like a real tutorial when it really comes out. But this is just like an intro, and here's this warp text thingy. My opinion on it right now, it can be usable for some things. It's not really what I would want to use it for at this point. It could be useful for some things, but I don't know why you just update the element, why you can't keep. So if I wanted to use multiple letters and try to layer them and make a circle or something like that, am I going to have to like add a page and then do a new one? Yeah, I guess that's how it works. How about if I'm here now? Now I have to do a new one, but I don't, and then I'd have to figure out all the stuff that I used before. So yeah, it could be fun. I'm sure it will be used to some degree. Um, my opinions, I give it a 7.5. I don't know what you guys will think about it, but just my opinion on the it's very limited in what it can do. I mean, I'd like to have like where you can make the warped um, words in like a circle or something where you can have like I would like welcome to my channel, but it'd be all in one circle. And when you can just do one line and you can't do multiple lines and then morph it into a shape. Yeah. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. I just wanted to hop on here real fast and play with it live with you guys. Well, not really live, but you know what I mean. Just to get a feel for it. So tell me if you've been playing with it. What do you think about it? Thumbs up, thumbs down, rate it from 1 to 10. Um, do you wish it had more like I do? Just leave that in the comments, and I will see you next time on the flip side. Love you guys. Peace. Until next time.